Good evening, everyone. We'll wait 2-3 minutes for others and then start. So, hello, everyone. Good evening. How are you guys? Is my voice clear? Should we proceed? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up if it's everything fine. Screen, voice, video. Hello, guys. Is it clear? Who do we have today? Okay, welcome. We have some similar names. Anjana, Mamta. Okay, super. Are you there? Give me a thumbs up if it's all clear so we can go start the lecture. Okay, okay. Super. Chalo. So, as you remember, yesterday we were doing circles. So, we did some part about the tangents. Correct, guys? So, now in this lecture, today we'll be doing some questions and then continuing with the circles part. So, we'll be doing questions on yesterday's concept, which we did, and continuing further. So this is a plan for today. Welcome back, everyone. Let's start. So obviously, we are doing with questions. I hope you remember what questions were we doing and the concept behind the questions. So here is it. Chalo. Let's see. Find the equation of the circle with center at -3, 4 and touching the y-axis. Now, let us try to draw the diagram first. How will the diagram look like? So let's say this is a circle and it is touching the y-axis. That means y-axis will be something like this. Right, guys? Center of the circle is -3, 4. Correct? I think I made it wrong, right? Because -3. Okay. So the y-axis will be like this. It will be in the second quadrant, right? So second quadrant में y-axis will be here and this will be the x-axis. Now, let me tell you, or as you all know, if this point is minus 3 comma 4, then this distance is 3 and this distance is 4. Correct, guys? So if the center is minus 3 comma 4, this distance is 3, this distance is 4. As we all know, simple from 9th standard. If this is 3, then I think this is also 3, right? So this is the radius. As you can see, so radius is 3 and the center is minus 3 comma 4. So center, which is minus 3 comma 4, we take the center as h comma k and radius is 3. So what is the equation of circle, guys? Equation of circle will be x, center radius from x minus h. So it will become x plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square is equals to r square. So if we open it, I'll get x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 16 is equals to 9. This 9 and this 9 will get cancelled. If we rearrange, we'll get x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 16 equals to 0. This is my answer. Correct, guys? Very simple question to start with. Dhire dhire will improve the level of our questions, right? So yeah, let's see the next question here. Find the equation of circle with center at 2 comma 3 and touching the line. So let us try to draw the diagram here, right? So center of the circle, right? So let us try to draw the center. So this is a circle. This will be the center, 2 comma 3. And this is the line which the circle is touching, right? Actually, yeah. Now it is touching. So what is the equation of line? 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. So this will be the radius. I hope you remember yesterday's lecture. This D will be the radius, or you can mark it as R. R is the radius. So how do we find R, guys? We find R by using perpendicular distance formula. So R will be equals to, I hope you know what was the perpendicular distance formula. We substitute the points in the equation. That is x की जगह पे 2, y की जगह पे 3. So we'll get 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3 plus 1 upon under root of, what do? We square and add the coefficients. What are the coefficients here, guys? 3 and minus 4. So 3 square plus minus 4 ka square. So what do we get, guys? 3 2s are 6 minus 12 plus 1 upon, I think we'll get 5, right? Denominator mein. So radius will be 7. 7 minus 12, 5 upon 5. So radius, I think we got 1. Correct. Radius is 1. Center is 2 comma 3, which is h comma k. So what will be the equation of circle, guys? It will be x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equals to r square. So if you open the brackets, I'll get x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equals to 1. If we rearrange, I think we'll get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y. Correct. Minus 6y plus 12 equals to 0. This is my answer. Right, guys? I hope you're understanding. If you are understanding, give me a thumbs up so we can move forward, guys. Hello, everyone. Today, very good. Very many of you are present. Oh, only Anjana gave a thumbs up. What about others? Mamta, Rajesh, you are the regular ones, right? So please give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood. Hello. Hello, guys. Is it clear? Mamta, Anjana. I think the others, JNV, Haveri, JNV, Tumkur, you must have joined from your tab lab, I think. That's why your name is like that. So I think you can also give me a thumbs up if it's possible. Okay, okay. Fine. Chalo. So I think you are all understanding. So we'll proceed further. If you have any doubts, please write it in the chat box. Right, guys? Chalo. So now the next concept is length of a tangent. Now please remember what is length of a tangent. You must like feel कि हाँ tangent has the infinite length. It's a you can say it's a line, right? So line. How can we get the length of a line? So let me explain you what does it mean. It means that let's say this is the circle with center C, and this is the tangent. Now, in this tangent, there is a point P whose coordinates, let's say, are x1, comma y1. And the point A is the foot of perpendicular. I hope you already know the foot of perpendicular. Then the length of segment AP, this length of segment AP is called the length of a tangent. So I hope now you know how the length of a tangent is fixed. So this is called length of a tangent. So yeah, this is the length of a tangent. Now how to find the length of a tangent? It is very simple. We just use the formula under root of S1. I hope you remember what is S1. Sorry, it is S1, not S1. Huh. So I hope you remember the formula S1. What was S1? If S is the equation of the circle, S is equation of circle. Then what is S1? S1 is substitute point P in equation of circle. Substitute point P in equation of circle. I hope you're getting it. So let's see the question. So here is it. Find the length of the tangent from the point. So this is the point P, correct guys, which is x1 comma y1 to the circle. So we know that length of the tangent is under root of s1. What is meant by under root of s1? We just substitute the point P in the equation. How to substitute? X की जगह पे 1, y की जगह पे 3. So what do we get, guys? We'll get 1 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 1 plus 4 into 3 minus 11. I hope you are getting. Just substitute the point in the equation, that is S1. So we'll get under root of 1 plus 9 minus 2 plus 4 3 are 12 minus 11. So I think 12 minus 11, 1 minus 1. I think we got 3, right? So the length of the tangent is 3. Simple, 3 units. Very simple calculation here we have. Okay, I hope you understood it, right? Length of tangent is very simple concept, guys. Give me a thumbs up if it's all clear. Okay, Mamta, Anjana. Thank you, guys. Chalo. Let's see what we have next. Now, this is an interesting part. Let me tell you why. Because yesterday I told you we will be studying intercepts made by circle. Now, as we know, intercepts made by line is very simple: x-intercept, y-intercept. Similarly, we have intercepts made by circle. So here it is given in the statement: the length of intercept made by circle on x-axis is 2 under root of g square minus c. Right, guys? Now, what is meant by length of x-intercept? So let's say this is the given circle and this is the x-axis. So the x-axis cuts a chord. Let's say this is point A, this is point B. So this AB is called the length of x-intercept. That means length of the chord which the x-axis cuts. Correct? Simple thing. Now, to find this length of x-intercept, how to find it? I think first we need, this is the x-axis, right? So first, I think we need to find uh, the coordinates of A and B. So length of x-intercept is basically length of AB, right, guys? So if we have the coordinates of A and B, we can easily find the what do we say, intercept by using distance formula. But let me tell you one simple thing. Let this be x1 comma y1. Now there will be y-axis here, guys, somewhere around here, right? Sorry, x1 comma y1 नहीं, x1 comma 0 होगा ना. It is on x-axis. So x1 comma 0. So this point B will be x2 comma 0. What is the length of AB? It will be modulus of x1 minus x2. Correct, na? No need to use distance formula because we are on x-axis. And if we are on x-axis, that means the distance is just the difference of the x coordinates. This is the difference of the x coordinates. So, what is the equation of circle given, guys? This is the equation of circle, right? Now, we know that from straight line, to find the value of x-intercept, to find the value of x-intercept, we put y equals to 0. I hope you know it. So if we put y equals to 0, we'll get the equation as x square plus 2gx plus c equals to 0. Correct, guys? Uh, Now, we want the values of x1 and x2. So rather than solving this quadratic equation, what do? We use sum of the roots and product of the roots. What will be sum of the roots? It will be x1 plus x2, right? It will be minus 2g upon 1. So it will be minus 2g. What will be product of the roots? x1 into x2. It will be c. Correct, guys? C upon 1, which is c. Now, I hope you know the formula that we want x1 minus x2. So we know that x1 minus x2 the whole square, this algebraic identity is equals to x1 plus x2 the whole square minus 4 times x1 into x2. Let us substitute the value of x1 plus x2. So minus 2g ka square. I think I'll get 4g square minus 4 into c. So we can take 4 common. So we'll get g square minus c. Minded, this is the value of x1 minus x2 the whole square. So if we take under root on the both sides, we'll get mod of x1 minus x2 is equals to 2 under root of g square minus c. Simple. Which is the length of x-intercept. Same as this. Correct, guys? Now, similarly, what will be the length of y-intercept? Chalo. Very simple. Length of y-intercept will be equals to 2 under root of, यहाँ पे g था, यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? f square minus c. Simple. So length of x-intercept is 2 under root of g square minus c. Length of y-intercept is 2 under root of f square minus c. I hope you understood it. If you understood it, please give me a thumbs up. Come on, guys. Please make the session as interactive as possible. You are not writing anything in the chat box, so I think you can at least give me a thumbs up. Okay, super. Thank you, Anjana and Mamta. क्लास आप लोगों की वजह से ऐसा लग रहा है कि हाँ क्लास इज अलाइव, जिंदा है क्लास. थैंक यू गाइस. चलो, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द क्वेश्चंस. ओके, लेट्स सी. या, I think I should give you some chance, right? Chalo, I'll give you some time to solve this. 2 minutes I'll give you. Please take your book and pen paper or book and pen wherever you are solving or wherever you're taking notes and start solving. It is the same question based we just did now. Find the x-intercept, find the y-intercept. Simple. Come on, let's see. And if you got the answer, you obviously cannot write in the chat box, right? So give me a thumbs up. Okay, guys? If you got the answer, just give me a thumbs up in the chat box. Chalo, 2 minutes. Let's see. Hmm. Yes, guys, anyone? Some progress? Chalo, should I start solving? Yeah, let's start. Find the equation of circle passing through origin and making intercepts 4 and 3 on the x-axis. Right, guys? So that means the x-intercept is 4. So what was x-intercept? 2 under root of g square minus c is 4. We can cancel out 2. And if we square on both the sides, I'll get g square minus c is equals to 4. Correct? Let's mark it as equation number 1. Similarly, what is y-intercept? 2 under root of f square minus c. It is given as 3. So if we square on both the sides, I'll get f square minus c is equals to 9 by 4. Let's mark it as equation number 2. Now it is given that the circle passes through 0, comma 0. What does this mean, guys? The circle passes through 0, comma 0. That means the circle passes through origin. So let's say if the equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Now, if circle passes through 0, comma 0, then it must satisfy the equation. So we'll substitute 0, comma 0 in the equation of circle. So what do we get, guys? This will become 0. I think this all thing will become 0 plus c equals to 0. What does this mean? This means the value of c is 0. And if the value of c is 0, equation number 1 will become g square equals to 4. That means g is equals to plus or minus 2. And similarly, this equation will become f square is equals to 9 by 4. That means f will be equals to plus or minus 3 by 2. Now, if g is plus minus 2, that means 2g will be equals to plus minus 4. And that means 2f will be equals to plus minus 3. So what will the equation of my circle will be? Equation of my circle will become x square plus y square plus 2g. So plus minus 4x plus 2f. So plus minus 3y equals to 0. This will be my equation of circle. Now please remember, guys, here we'll get 4 equations of circle. How many? 4. Correct? Why 4? Because here and here. First, we'll take both plus and plus. Second, we'll take g plus f minus. Third, we'll take minus plus. And last will be minus minus. So total 4 equations we'll get. Right, guys? So there will be 4 equations of circle which will be satisfying the given condition. That will be making intercepts 4 and 3 on the x-axis and y-axis. Correct, guys? Is it clear? Give me a thumbs up if it's clear. Okay. Thank you. Chalo. Let's see the next question. Not the next question. Next concept. It's the concept of director circle. Now, what is meant by director circle? Let me explain it to you. So, let's say you have a circle and this is the point. Okay. Yeah. This is the point from where tangents are drawn. So, obviously, from this point, two tangents are possible. These two, right, guys? Now, if the angle between the tangents is 90 degrees, how much? 90 degrees. Then the locus of this point, that is P, the locus of this point, that is P, will be the director circle. Will be the director circle. Now, how will the circle look like? The circle will have the same center as our original circle, correct? And will pass through the point P. So, that circle will be a concentric circle. And you can see here, this is how the circle will look like. This is the director circle, and this is our given circle. Now, what will be its equation? See, if the equation of the given circle is x square plus y square equals to a square, then the equation of director circle will be x square plus y square is equals to 2a square. X square plus y square is equals to 2a square. Why अचानक से many of you left the meeting, guys? I think there is network issue. लाइट गई क्या? Okay. Mm, we'll continue. We'll see when will they come. Right? So this is the director circle. Now we were talking equation of circle. So equation of the given circle is x square plus y square equals to a square. Then the equation of director circle will be x square plus y square is equals to 2a square. Simple. खाली a square को क्या कर देना है? 2a square. Correct, guys? This is a simple concept. We'll be deriving this in the last question. At the last question, we'll be doing. Okay, guys? Chalo, let's see what we have next. Next, we have the different forms of equation of tangents. Now, we know the point form. What is the point form? We replace x square by x1, y square by y1, 2x by x plus x1, 2y by y plus y1, and c remains same. This is the point form. What is the slope form, guys? Slope form is y plus f is equals to, you can say, let's say capital Y. So y is equals to m, let's say this is capital X, plus or minus r under root of 1 plus m squared. Y is equals to mx plus minus r under root of 1 plus m squared. So this is our slope form, where r is the radius of the circle and m is the slope of tangent. It is the slope of tangent. Correct, guys? R is the radius of circle. So I hope you got this. There are two forms. First is the slope form. Sorry, first is the point form, or we can say Cartesian form. In many books, you will find this is written as Cartesian form, right? And the second is the slope form. What a slope form says, guys? Slope form is y is equal to mx plus minus r under root of 1 plus m square. Now we'll wait for others. I think their light is gone. We'll wait 2-3 minutes. I'll confirm whether they'll be coming back or not. I'll just call and ask. Till then, you can revise it what we did till now from your notes, or you can see the screen and get the hang of the point form and the slope form. I'll confirm where are the others. Okay, guys, just give me a second. Hello, guys. Where are the others? Again, power gone. Is power gone? Anjana. Okay, okay. Because everyone left, so I was waiting. Is the power back? Should we start, or are others coming? Should we wait for them? Last slide. Yeah, we'll go through the last slide. Uh, should we wait for others or should we start? That's what I'm asking. The others are all were from your same JNV, right? Okay, okay, we'll start. Chalo. So this is the last slide, director circle. So let me explain it once again. I was saying that the director circle is the locus of point P when the tangents drawn from the point P are perpendicular to each other. I hope you were there from this, right? So if we try to draw the locus, it will be the director circle, the dotted line as you can see, which is concentric with the given circle C, right? Now, if the equation of the given circle is x square plus y square is equals to a square, right? So what will be the equation of a directed circle? It will be x square plus y square is equals to 2a square. Correct? Just a square का क्या हो जाएगा? 2a square. Correct? So this was we studied. Now the derivation of this, I have taken it as a question. So we'll solve it as the question in the coming slide. Right, guys? Come on, let's see. Just a second. Yeah. So this was the different forms of equation of tangent. The first form we already know, which is the Cartesian form. The second form is the slope form. Slope form is this one. Read it like this. The box में जो है वो y is equals to mx plus minus r under root of 1 plus m square, where m is the slope of tangent and r is the radius of the circle. I hope you know the slope form. Is it clear till here, guys? Anjana, Mamta, give me a thumbs up so we can move on to the next. Okay, Mamta, thank you. What about Anjana? Are you there? I explained it from the last slide, correct? So should we move? Did you understood? Right? Chalo. Let's see. So let's do questions now. Chal. Find the equation of tangents to the circle parallel to the line. Now, this is a straight up example of previous concept. Let's see. What will the center? How to find the center? See the x and y coefficients, divide by 2 and change the sign, which we mark it as h comma k. And tangent is parallel to this line. Now, please understand, if a two lines are parallel, then the slopes is equal. So, what is the slope of tangent here? Which is m. The slope of tangent is -1. I hope you know how to find the slope of tangent from equation of line. So, slope of tangent is -1 and this is h comma k. What was the equation of tangent? It was y is equals to mx plus minus r under root of 1 plus m square. Correct, guys? Now here, what was capital Y? Please remember, here we use shift of origin. Why? Because the center, as you can see, is not at origin. If the center was at origin, then there is no need to use shift of origin. But since the center is not at origin, we have to use shift of origin. That means we replace y by y minus k is equals to m x by x minus h plus minus r under root of 1 plus m square. So this is the equation of tangent. Let us substitute the values. I think we need r, right? So radius will be under root of g square plus f square minus c. C का वैल्यू क्या है? -12. 16 plus 25. So I think radius is 5. Now we have every value. We have the value of r, we have the value of h, we have the value of k, we have the value of m. So let us just simply substitute it. What we'll get, guys? Again, you all left. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back. So what should we do? Should we start now? We'll wait for Mamta, okay? Hello Anjana. Hello. Is my voice clear? Okay. So we'll start, right? Chala. So we were talking here, the shift of origin. I think you were here, right? So we have the values of everything H, K, M, and R. Just substitute the values. What will you get, guys? We'll get Y plus 3 is equals to minus 1 x minus 2 plus or minus R. What is R? 5 under root of 1 plus minus 1 ka square. So what do we got? We'll get y plus 3 is equals to minus x plus 2 plus minus 5 root 2. So if we bring everything on the left hand side, so we'll get x plus y plus 1 plus minus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. These are the equation of tangents. Let me tell you how the diagram will look like. So let's say this is a circle. Now there are two tangents which are parallel to each other. So this will be the first tangent and this will be the second tangent. Why both two tangents, guys? Because uh, in a circle, two tangents of the same slope is possible. In the circle, two tangents of the same slope is possible. So this is the tangent 1, this is the tangent 2. The two tangents are possible to a circle with the same slope, as you can see in the diagram. Okay, I think someone joined with the in the tab room, right? Okay, no issues. Chalo, is it clear, guys? Give me a thumbs up. Anjana, is it clear? Should we move forward? Okay, chalo. So let's see. Football. Chalo. Let's see this. Sorry for the disturbance. Hmm. Find the equation of tangents to the circle which makes an angle 45 degree with x-axis. What does this mean, guys? This is the meaning that inclination is 45 degree. That means what is the slope of tangent? It will be tan 45, which is 1. Simple, guys. Again, let's do the same thing. Get the center. Center कैसे मिलता है? It will be 2, 3, which is basically h, comma k. Let's get the radius. Radius is under root of g square plus f square minus 3, which is, I think, root 10. Correct? Yeah. So what will the equation? We'll use again shift of origin. The original equation would look like y is equals to mx plus or minus r under root of 1 plus m square. What will be capital Y? Y minus k is equals to m x minus h plus minus r under root of 1 plus m square. Now again, I am not going to do the question again because it's the same question. We have the values of h, k, r, and m. So substitute these four values in the question and we'll get the equation of the tangent, right? So no need to do again the same thing. I just wanted you to show that here m is 1 and m can be given by different types of conditions. In the last sum, we use the conditions of two parallel lines. Here the condition is inclination. Okay, let's see the next question. Yeah. Show that the line touches the circle. Now, what do you mean by a line touches a circle? That simply means that the line is tangent to the circle. And if you attended yesterday's class, uh, you can see that this distance will be equals to r, right? So what do we have to do? We have to find d and we have to find radius. After finding d and radius, we'll have to prove that both of the values are same. If both of the values are same, then the line is a tangent. Let's find the center. Center, you can see it is 3 comma minus 2. What is the equation of line? 5x plus 12y minus 4 equals to 0. So what will be r, guys? Center is 3 comma minus 2. So radius will be under root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the value of c, right? So 1. I think radius is 1, right? So we got the radius. Now it's time to find d. Now d is the perpendicular distance of point C from this line. So what do we do to find perpendicular distance? We substitute the point in the equation of line. So let us substitute the point in the equation of line. What we'll get, guys? We'll get 5 into 3 plus 12 into minus 2 minus 4 upon under root of, we do coefficient ka square. So 5 square plus 12 square. So 15 minus 24 minus 4 upon, I think niche will get 13, right? Pythagorean triplets. So this is 13 upon 30, which is 1. As you can see, the distance d and the radius are equal. Correct, guys? Now, to find the point of contact, what is the point of contact? It is M. M is also the foot of perpendicular. And if you remember how to find foot of perpendicular, we had a very easy formula to get foot of perpendicular. I hope you remember it. Do you remember it, guys? From straight line, foot of perpendicular formula from line. Do you remember it? So let's see how many of you remember it. So I'll simplify the diagram. This is C, this is M. The equation of line is 5x plus 12y minus 4 equals to 0. And what is the center? 3 comma minus 2. I hope you remember it. What was the formula? X minus the coordinates of M are x comma y, and this is x1 comma y1. So x minus x1 upon a. This is a. This is b is equals to y minus y1 upon b is equals to minus times substitute the point in the equation. So if I substitute the point in the equation, I'll get 15 minus 24 minus 4 upon a square plus b square. I hope you remember it formula. If you don't remember it, please revise. So I'll get x minus 3 upon 5 is equals to y plus 2 upon 12. I think this is minus 1, right? just now we calculated the same value. Correct, guys? It was minus 13 upon 13 का mod. Mod था, इसके लिए क्या हो गया था वो 1. नॉट माइनस 1, सॉरी, नीचे अंडर रूट नहीं है ना. So I think it is minus 13 upon 169, right? Which is minus 1 by 13. Okay? Yeah, I think it's correct. So what will be the coordinate of x? Minus 1 by 13, and y plus 2 upon 12 will be minus 1 by 13. So what will be x, guys? X will be 3 plus 5 by, sorry, 3. Oh, is equals to minus 1 by 13. All right. So if we equate this and equate this, so I think we'll get x as 3 minus 5 by 30. And we'll get y as minus 2 minus 12 by 30. Correct? I hope I am not wrong. So x equals to 39 minus 5. 34 by 30. And y equals to minus 26. So minus 38 by 30. So what is the coordinates of m, guys? 34 by 13, comma minus 38 by 30. If you didn't understood the last part, the formula, please, I think you should revise it. But the main aim was to get the equation or show that why the line is a tangent. Is it clear, guys? Or should I explain it once again? Give me a thumbs up. Anjana and the student who joined from the tab. Is it clear, guys? Give me a thumbs up. Hello, Anjana. Is it clear? Okay, super. So the time is up now. We'll end the session. Once check foot of perpendicular. Acha, I think I made a mistake or what? Uh, x minus 3 upon 5, y plus upon 12 minus ऊपर तो just a second. Thank you. This will be plus 1 by 13. Right. Thank you, Anjana. This will be plus 1 by 13. Calculation error. Let us correct it. Minus था ना बाहर, minus अपन भूल गए. It was minus. So minus of minus plus 1 by 13. So I think this will be 3 plus 5 by 13 and plus 5 by. Now I think is it correct? 39 plus 5. 44 by 13 minus 26 plus 12. So minus 14 by 13. Now is it correct? Or did you do it by the different way? I think now it should be correct. Silly mistake we did. Yes? Is it correct now or did we made a mistake again? Okay, Anjana, whatever it is, time is up. I think you need to attend your other class, right? Chemistry. Okay, then. Bye bye, guys. Everyone. Take care. Chalo, tata.